Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the Nexgrill versus Blackstone. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which brand is better. So the main difference between Nexgrill and Blackstone is the cooking surface material. Nexgrill is made up of stainless steel, whereas Blackstone is made up of carbon steel. Stainless steel is less prone for rusting, but is less durable than carbon steel, which is more prone to rusting, but very durable. However, seasoning the Blackstone reduces its risk of rusting. Blackstone is therefore more resistant to wear, and rusting can be controlled compared to Nexgrill. Size. As much as the two griddles are similar in size, there is a slight difference that makes a huge impact when cooking. The Nexgrill provides 756 square inches of area to cook on, whereas Blackstone provides 768 square inches of total cooking area. This gives Blackstone an added advantage as it provides more space for grilling food, which comes in handy when hosting barbecues. British Thermal Unit, BTU. A BTU is a form of energy that measures how an appliance uses heat or coldness efficiently. The higher the units, the faster the appliance heats your food. Blackstone has 60,000 BTUs, split across each of the 4 burners, whereas Nexgrill has 40,000 BTUs, split across each of the 4 burners. The higher BTUs that Blackstone offers makes it more reliable than Nexgrill. Comparison table. From the table, you can tell that the Blackstone is heavier, weighing 158.7 pounds, than Nexgrill, which weighs 96.9 pounds. There are also huge differences in the wattage used. Blackstone uses 17,580 watts compared to Nexgrill's 17,440 watts. Similarities. Both Blackstone and Nexgrill have a thermostat, and both have easily adjustable legs, depending on whether you want them flat or upright. Verdict. So which is better? Blackstone is the better brand because of its durable material, which can last you for longer. Its incredible heating system due to higher BTU makes it efficient and conducive for massive cookouts. However, if you want something lightweight, the Nexgrill is ideal. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons that you'd like to see next from us.